Guys, in this video I'm showing you how you can fix Instagram missing emojis. So let's jump into the video. But before getting started, here is some intro about our channel. Our channel No Tutorial is a tech tutorial channel, and here we upload daily how-to tutorial videos bringing solutions of the problem that you are facing on your internet journey. So you can join our community by subscribing and pressing the bell icon to get free access of our unlimited content of interesting and knowledgeable tech videos like this one. So let's jump into the video. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram app and then log in into your account. After that, you have to simply know that if you open any of the a story, then you can simply tap on this send message button in the very bottom and you get this emoji option like this. Or you can also access this emoji button by tapping on this emoji button in the bottom right, and you can access this emoji keyboard. So that's how you can do that. But if you can't see this emoji icon or emoji option in your Instagram app, so I am showing you three ways by which you can fix that. The first way is you have to simply check out if there is any update for your Instagram app. So you have to simply search the Instagram app in your app store or play store, and in the right side of the Instagram app icon you can see there, if there will be an update, you can see there update button instead of open button. So you can update the Instagram app in that case by tapping on the update button. Second way is you have to simply go back to your home screen and then tap on the phone settings. From here you have to simply go to the apps and then tap on the manage apps, and then here you have to search for Instagram. So search the Instagram. After that, open the Instagram app, then tap on the storage section, and then here tap on the clear data in the very bottom, and then clear cache of the Instagram app. After doing this, what it will do, it will clear all of the Instagram bugs or glitches like the missing story. And then what you need to do, you have to simply again reopen the Instagram app and see if there the story is again appearing or not, or if the issue is fixed or not. If you are still facing this issue, you have to again go back to this phone settings, and then in the again open the Instagram app here, and then you have to go to the permissions tab, tap on the app permissions, and here you have to make sure that the basic permissions that are needed to simply use any of the social media platforms like the camera, contacts, location, microphone, storage, or etc are allowed or not in your case. And if it is not allowed, you have to simply allow these permissions, which is basically required for any social media platforms to operate. So this is the third way by which you can do that. So that's how you can do that. So hope that this is a tutorial video will fix this issue. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. Now see you next time.